click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hello guys, today I am with a new product, that is a Philips HI114 dry iron. Its color is white. I have bought it from Flipkart. So without saying anything, let's unbox it. So it is the product. Packaging quality is very good. Very happy with the packaging. It is the product. Here is the product name, dry iron, model number HI114. Retail price is written here 1045, but I have to pay just 908 rupees. It's 240 volt and 5 hertz. So let's unbox it. Guys, here is the product. Now I will mention the specification right from here. It consumes 1000 watt. Okay, and now the design quality is very good. Plastic. This dry iron from Philips sports a golden American heritage cellophane, that is golden cellophane, which allows easy movement of all types of fabrics. And now the cord length is quite enough for daily purpose. And quality is also good. Plug quality is also good. Now it is the product. Here you all can see that there is a regulator which you can use while using it, like when you are is nylon, silk, woolen product, cotton, and there is an arrow. You have to set the arrow to the specific category. Okay, now I will plug it. There is a light. It is switch on. It's automatic. Okay, whenever it is or high temperature or enough temperature, it will automatically. So you power on the product, and whenever it is or high temperature or enough temperature, it will automatically get off, and you have to use it at that time. I am not touching here right now because power is on. I'm switch off the power. My God, it already got tempted. Enough temperature right here. Gripping is very much comfortable, and yeah, so overall looks is quite good, and My point is that Philips product is always better than any other electronic gadgets or products. So you all can have this for your daily purpose, home alliances. Okay, this Philips iron comes with a 2 years of manufacturer warranty and covers all the parts, and you have to go to the service center if you are facing any problem, and otherwise the product is very good. I am like it. So here is a quick unboxing of the product. Thank you.